Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this eyeliner look. It's just a really quick, neutral take on a smoky eye, but in a more graphic way. Take on a liner look too, but it's a little bit more pronounced and a little bit more of a statement. So you can still wear like natural shadows, but do it in a cool, modern way. If you'd like to see how I created this look, please continue to watch, like, and subscribe, and let's get started. So what I like to do is I get a white pencil. This is Pure White by NYX, and you can pretty much put any shadow on top of it and it brightens it and it gives it something to stick to. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a pretty thick line because I want it to be a more graphic shadow. So it's still kind of smoky, but it's confined to a shape. So build up that color. And then just pull out the wing. With a small angle brush, I'm gonna go into this bronzy shadow by Prados Beauty. I'm using a Prados brush as well. Their products are amazing. And I'm going to just push that right onto the white eyeliner. This will make it pop a lot faster and stay throughout the day. And you wanna go right on top of the pencil that you just put down. You don't want to see any white halo. And if you feel like you've gone too far down, you can kind of clean that up with your fingertip, and then with your concealer and a small brush, you can just clean up that line. And there you have it. Just line with this is Nude 2 by KKW Beauty. I smudge it. I want it a little bit lighter, so I'm gonna go in with Glossy Fawn by L'Oreal. Whenever I'm doing a quick liner look and I'm not putting a ton of like other shadows, I'm just going in on a bare lid, I'll go all around the liner with a transparent powder. This one is by Charlotte Tilbury, but anyone will do. Same on the top. This will also help prevent your eyeshadow. No, this will also help prevent your mascara from transferring. It naturally happens just because if you don't put any powders down or shadows, your natural oils will mix in if your lashes hit, so that'll prevent that from happening. And there you go, just a quick, easy, it's just still a statement liner, using like natural, neutral shadows, but in a different way. So I find this a little bit cooler. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this from me, please like and subscribe. Leave in the comments if you wanted me to go over anything else, or if you wanted me to do any other kind of makeup look. I would love to hear about it. And thanks so much. Bye.